Organizational process assets are the internal and external resources, information, and knowledge that an organization has available to support its projects. These assets can include a wide range of resources such as templates, policies, procedures, best practices, and historical data. They can also include knowledge and expertise from individuals within an organization, such as subject matter experts and project managers. There are several examples of organizational process assets that can be leveraged to support projects. Some common examples would include templates that can include project charter templates, project plan templates, and other documents that provide a structure and format for completing certain tasks or activities. Policies and procedures. These can include guidelines for how projects should be managed and completed within the organization. They may cover topics such as risk management, quality assurance, and communication, and so on. Best practices. These are proven methods or approaches that have been successful in similar projects in the past. By leveraging best practices, organizations can improve their chances for project success. Then we have the historical data. This can include data from past projects such as cost and schedule data, as well as lessons learned and best practices. This information can be used to inform decision making and to improve the planning and execution for future projects. Expertise and knowledge. This can include the expertise and knowledge of individuals within an organization, such as subject matter experts and experienced project managers. This expertise can be leveraged to support the planning and execution of projects. Overall, organizational process assets are a valuable resource for organizations looking to improve their project management processes. By leveraging these assets, organizations can increase the chances of project success and improve their overall project management capabilities. Organizational process assets can help a project in a number of ways. These assets provide a range of internal and external resources, information, and knowledge that can support the planning and execution of a project. Some of the ways that organization process assets can help a project include providing a structure and format for completing certain tasks or activities, which will give you templates and other forms of documentation that can provide a structure and format for completing tasks and activities, which can help to ensure that they are completed consistently and effectively. Guiding decision making. Policies and procedures, as well as best practices and historical data, can provide guidance and direction for decision making during the course of a project. This can help to ensure that decisions are based on sound information and experience. Improving efficiency and effectiveness. Leveraging the expertise and knowledge of individuals within the organization can help to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of a project. Subject matter experts and experienced project managers can provide valuable insights and guidance to help the project team navigate challenges and achieve success. Reducing risk. By leveraging the resources and knowledge available through organizational process assets, organizations can reduce the risk of project failure, which can be achieved by following proven methods and approaches, as well as by learning from past mistakes and successes. Overall, organizational process assets are a valuable resource for organizations looking to improve the chances of project success. By leveraging these assets, organizations can increase their project management capabilities and achieve better outcomes. See you in the next lecture.